Hi, hello friends, welcome to World Explorer India. Subscribe and explore World Explorer India to learn something new every day. On October 21, 2020, Global Iodine Deficiency Disorders Prevention Day, this video is being created to raise awareness about iodine. Iodine is a natural element which is an essential nutrient and it helps for the formation of T3 and T4, that is triiodothyronine and thyroxine. These are the hormones which is produced by the thyroid gland in our body, which is very much essential for the growth and development and also the metabolism of our metabolic activities of the body. Any deficiency of iodine will lead to diseases such as goiter, mental retardation, mental illness, etc. Average daily requirement is only 100 to 150 micrograms per day. Sometimes usually iodine is available in soil and also the water. Endemic goiter districts, these are the Indian districts where you can see in Tamil Nadu 28 districts and in Gujarat 24 districts and Maharashtra 22 districts and Jammu Kashmir 21 districts and Orissa has 18 districts which are endemic goiter districts, that is where greater than 5% of districts we can see endemic goiter. That is, this data is from 2014 to 2015. So these are the achievements of India: 65 lakh metric tons of iodized salt production, consumption of salt increased to 70% from 51% in a period of almost 3 years, that is 2006 to 2009. And there is one law that is called as Food Safety and Standards Regulation 2011. This restricts sale of common salt for the direct human consumption unless it is iodized. IEC activities done with the help of Doordarshan and All India Radio. These are the sources of iodine. Milk is the source of iodine in UK, United Kingdom. Meat, sea fish, eggs, salt, these are some of the sources of iodine. In 1984, Government of India decided to iodate all salt by 1992. 17 May 2006, Prevention of Food Adulteration Act. In 1992, National Goiter Control Program was renamed as NIDDCP, that is Iodine Deficiency Disorders Control Program, that is diseases such as deaf, mutism, cretinism, stillbirth, abortions, etc. ASHA was paid rupees 25 for 50 salt testing samples in the year of 2013 to 14. Salt Commissioner Office was present in Jaipur. You know the deficiency of iodine will lead to stillbirth, mental illness, deaf, mutism, squint, stunting of limbs, spontaneous abortions and congenital abnormalities such as cretinism, mental retardation, goiter, hypothyroidism and subnormal intelligence. Goiter is nothing but enlargement of thyroid gland because of hypothyroidism or hypoiodine, where you can see swelling of neck. Thyroid will increase in the size. Cretinism is unable to walk, think or talk. If mother is having iodine deficiency, the child also will get the same symptoms of cretinism, etc. Sometimes cretinism is incurable and it's a permanent disease. This can be prevented with iodized salt. UNICEF, ICCIDD, International Council for Control of Iodine Deficiency Disorders, these are focusing on the child health. So keep caution. Try to keep salt in the airtight containers. While buying salt, insist for iodized salt. Don't store iodized salt beyond 6 months. If you are having more salt packets, first in, first out. This method should be used. So this is the program, National Iodine Deficiency Disorder Control Program, which is run by the DGHS, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, India. These are the bibliography: FAQ on iodine deficiency disorders, NHP, National Health Portal and World Health Organization. If you like this, subscribe, like and comment and also share. Thank you.